How to process an employee leaving the business. Dealing with employees leaving your business used to involve stamps, envelopes, and a lot of your time. However, now with Sage One Payroll, informing HMRC that an employee has left couldn't be easier. As a rule, if an employee leaves, you should set their finish date before processing their final pay run. But don't worry, if they haven't told you before you process their final pay, you can mark them as a leaver afterwards as well. To make an employee a leaver, go to your Employee tab at the top of the screen and click the X on the left-hand side of the employee that's leaving. Then just enter a finish date in the employee leaving pop-up box. The finish date should be the last day the employee actually worked for the business. This is also referred to as the last working day. Once you've entered the finish date, click Save. The employee status will now show Leaver requires P45, which means you now need to submit the P45 details to HMRC. Sage One will do this for you when you process the next pay run as normal and successfully submit the FPS, which means you no longer have to send a paper copy to HMRC. If an employee notifies you that they're leaving after you've processed their final pay run, simply mark them as a leaver as normal and their P45 details will be sent to HMRC on the next available pay run. Once you've completed the employee's final pay, you need to print the P45 and hand it to them. In your Employee tab, you'll notice that the employee is not listed anymore. To bring the employee record back, tick the box to Include employees who have left. This will then display the employee record with the status of ceased employment. This indicates that their P45 details have been submitted to HMRC successfully. To view the P45, select the employee from the list. On the top right-hand side of the screen, click Print P45. The employee's P45 will display as a PDF document. You can print a copy of the P45 by right-clicking on your mouse and selecting Print from the drop-down menu. So now you can see how easy processing leavers can be with Sage One. It no longer needs to cost you time and money when an employee leaves your business.